All right, well, we're getting firewood. The wife's driving. Nice and slow. And, just creep up there for now. But we got this log back here. And I get to ride the log. So let's ride the log. Woohoo! Go for it. Surfing the firewood log. Yeah, I'm sure this is nice and safe. Good times. Whoa, it's slick. Whoa, man. That's awesome. All right, hold on. Let me do it. No, it's too dangerous. Let me drive, babe. Hold on. Out here doing a little camping. Kind of cold. Got our little winter fire going. Good fire block. Really pregnant wife. Yep. Bunch of really fun toys. And now, you know, we have firewood duty. So, got a little idea here. Let me, I want to cut this up. Happens. Fire up our trusty chainsaw. So let's see what we have here. Really? Oh, the heck was that? How did I not get all the way through that? Would I miss one spot? Right at the very end. Of course I did. Darn it. Okay, I better mark that chain. Anyway, we have that. We drug this tree from way back there with the truck. It's pretty cool. Now we have this chunk. We have this chunk. So let's see how I want to set these up here. Maybe if I do. Bree, I might need you to move a little. Yeah, I'm kicking you out. Watch the pot Domero has on there. Let's see here. I'm not sure what we're doing. Okay, something like that. good steak. Move that, move that, move that. Women, right? Right when you're in the middle of working something, they go put their fancy crap on stuff. What? Careful what I'm doing. Knock your stuff over here. Do I like that or do I want to shift it? I think I like that kind of big. That's pretty cool. What do you think, babe?
I think it's cool.
Makeshift table in 2 minutes out of just a chunk of firewood.
Yeah.
Table, bench. I mean, it's a little wiggly because it's, you know, not sunk into the ground at all yet, but kind of neat. Let's see here. For what it is, for what it took, crotch of a tree, another crotch of a tree, and out of that, we still have all that to burn. I bet you that's handy as anything right here for this height. To put whatever. Definitely. And even just to sit on, especially if it snows.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. I like that, I like that, I like that. A fancy little bench. Pretty pregnant lady too. Cooking dinner. Yeah, she's done. What do you have there? The Dutch oven going? With venison?
Yeah. Venison.
Oh, and onions?
Onions and butter.
I want to take a peek of that. Ooh, you can almost smell it. I'll take it. Wow. Well, back to firewood duty. You better like and subscribe, Mr. Brian's Amazing World. Check it out. We take all these toys out, ride them, rip them, show you this camper, take you out camping, the tractor. Oh, everything.